Hey guys, so today we're doing a video all about my hair. A lot of you guys have been having so many questions about my frontal. One of my past videos, a lot of the comments were full of details on my hair, and I know it has been a while, but I definitely did want to do this video just because I have found a wig that I absolutely love. I found a style that definitely works, and I have found a technique that has really been working for me, and I of course have to share the good news just because I know you guys will be shook. You guys will be shook if you go out and get your wig like mine. This video is not sponsored, but like I said, I wanted to share with you guys what I have been doing for my hair and what, oh my gosh, what you guys have been asking so many questions about. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ima and I hope you stick around. Definitely subscribe if you would like to see some of my future videos, and if you are not new, welcome back. Good to see you again. And yeah, so if you guys want to know about my frontal, sis, it's a wig, it's a frontal. If you guys want to know all about my hair details, then just keep on watching. So I am absolutely obsessed with this hair. I just don't even know where to start. If you guys saw my last video where a lot of people were asking questions about it, I will finish this look with the Fenty lip gloss, which I actually need to get a new one. This stuff is the bomb. Finish my look with this. As you can tell, it was a lot longer, and I think that was at least like maybe a month or even a little over a month ago when I filmed that video and uploaded it, but now it is at least like a month later, and a lot of things have happened with the hair. So I have cut it, I've dyed it, I've re-dyed it, I've done so many different things, and this has been my best move of 2018 when it comes to hair so far, just because, I don't know, this definitely just works for me. So what I did was I bought a wig from DYHAIR777.com. I will have that linked down below. Like I said, this video is not sponsored, but I have bought wigs from them before. I really do like the affordability of their wigs. So like I said, all of that will be linked below. This wig was under $100, which to me is a good price, just because I don't like spending thousands and thousands of dollars on wigs that may not turn out good. And I also don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a wig that, like I said, may not turn out so good. So what I did was I bought a wig and it was under $100. And first of all, I did look up a lot of different videos on how to customize a wig, just because within the past year or so I've tried customizing wigs and it just never really worked out for me. So what I did was I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos on how to customize a wig, and personally for me, Aaliyah J, her tutorial was very helpful, and I will have that link down below so you guys can go check out what I mean by that. But her tutorial was helpful along with other tutorials that really helped the customization process. So if you guys would like a video all about how to customize a wig and stuff like that, I probably will be purchasing another wig within the next month or two, and I would love to film that process for myself just so I can keep track of how to do it, and then for you guys so you guys can see how I did it. What I did was I bought this wig, a loose wave, very loose wave. It was almost straight. I bleached the knots, plucked the lace, and it took me a minute. It took me a while. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw it. So as you can see, this wig is secure. You can't really, I mean, you know, when I pull it, it does move, but not really all that much. I've gotten so many different compliments on this wig to the point that people are honestly questioning if it's my real hair, is it a wig? They can't tell. So I'm gonna show you guys some products that have really been helping me tame my wig and kind of keep things in check, just because on Instagram, a lot of you guys had comments and stuff like that. Some of my #1 products when investing in a wig and getting a wig is to find something that works for you. I know Got2b glue maybe has not gotten the best rep on YouTube, but I personally find that it works for me. I, however, do want to kind of drift away from using Got2b at times, just because I would like to get a band. I do not have a band in my wig. All it has is clips here. It has a clip here and it has a clip in the back, and then underneath my wig I have just like a normal netted cap to kind of slick my hair down. My hair is braided, and I just do that to keep my hair flat and stuff like that, and just so that like I don't have a braid sticking out of my wig, you know what I mean? mean? Another thing that I highly recommend is actually using a hot comb. Some of you guys ask, how did you get your wig so flat? I can't tell it's a wig because it's so flat like your real hair. Like, you see all of this motion. The only way that I can do all of that and the way that it looks so flat is because I did take a hot comb and I ran a hot comb through it and stuff like that. And honestly, that is how I got it to be so flat, like an actual scalp. That is the only way that I think that you can get a wig that flat. Aaliyah J actually did that in one of her tutorials, and I was like, I just would have never thought of that, and I thought that that was brilliant. So yeah, I did hot comb the front just to make it really flat, and I have switched up my part quite a few different times just because, like I said, this wig is so flexible. And what I have been doing is every day I glue it, which, like I said, it can be tedious, but for me, I just find that that works because I don't want to sleep with my wig on, and I just want security every day, so I want to reapply the glue. So every day after I come back from work, I take my wig off and I actually use a wet cloth to wet it. Like I said, I know this is tedious and I know a lot of you guys do not want to do this, but this is just what works for me at the moment. I know I will not do it forever, but this is just what works for me, and I do take the wig off every day, and then every morning I re-glue the wig down. So yeah, it does have some flaws, but I mean, it's definitely working. I cut quite a few inches off this past week, and every week I've kind of been doing something different with the wig just to kind of make it last longer, and so it doesn't look the same every week that I wear it. One week I'll curl it, one week I'll cut it, one week I'll dye it, switch the part and stuff. So this week I actually dyed it light brown on the ends. You can't really tell that much. Some highlights going or something, but like I said, you can't really tell that much. Maybe you can. I was getting a lot of compliments on the cut, and every week I've been getting compliments, and I'm just like, wow, this is insane. So yeah, those are kind of the hair details that I have for you guys. Check out the link in the down bar if you want to see the exact wig that I have. I personally don't think it's all in the wig. I think it's all in the customization and how you customize your wig and how you make it look like you. Like how you make it look like your actual hairline and how believable your wig can be. So I feel like the reason why a lot of people think that this is my real hair is because maybe the hairline looks like my hairline, or it looks like this could be growing out of my scalp. Okay, I went to get my curling iron just so you guys can see what curling iron I used to get the curls. I just put a couple curls in it to give it like this messy, like wavy look, make it look a little bit more natural. I have like a nice, like natural looking curl and stuff like that. I love my wig. I absolutely love this wig. Hopefully this answered a lot of questions that you guys had in one of my recent videos about my hair details, just because I have been dying to tell you guys all about this hair. I can 100% say that I am in love with this wig. You can ask my friends, you can ask my family. Like, I just am in love with this wig, and it's definitely me, and I don't know, I just found what works. Like I said, if you guys would like a future video on how to customize your wig, how I customize my wig, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm not really sure if you guys are into the whole demo hair videos still, or if you guys just want hair details and you can figure it out on your own, but let me know, because I would definitely be down to do that. And I'm feeling myself. I believe in sharing tips and letting other women like know the scoop and stuff like that. So that is pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to check out all of my latest videos, which will be linked below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love Instagram. I absolutely love kind of chatting with you guys on Instagram and updating you guys with my life through Instagram. It's a super fun way to stay up to date, so definitely follow me there. And I do want to thank you guys for all the sweet comments, all the like gas that you guys gave me on that video. I was so shocked because I knew the wig looked good, but I didn't think everybody else thought so too. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And like I said, it's all a work in progress. It's all just a learning experience, and I think if you can take some time and sit down and try to like engineer how to make your wig, then you can definitely be successful at making a wig like this. That is pretty much it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.